morning cannot go that way.
Because it's closed?
Because they're all starting work at the council depot. So there's cars and trucks everywhere.
So we're going, guys. Lalabas tayo ngayon. It's Sunday. At ipapamigay natin yung mga damit ng ating baby na maliliit kay Miss Mia. And aabot lang siguro natin kasi we're not really feeling well. Kaya aabutan na lang, sabi ko. Hindi ko alam kung mag-vlog siya. Parang hindi naman siya mahilig din masyado mag-vlog pag nasa labas. Anyway, sa biyahe na tayo. Hindi kami nagpunta ng church. We're so late na. See, it's so nice with the lens, the camera. Ayaw ipalagay yung lens. Lagi kong winawala. Lagi si Mr. papabalik-balik sa supermarket pag feeling ko nalaglag. Naghahanap siya. Kaya sabi niya, tuwing lalabas kami, lalo na pag grocery or shopping, bawal mag-lens. Covering his face daw. Why are you covering your face? Because if you...
I don't want the fame.
You're dreaming. I don't want the fame now. Because once you are fame, your life is not your own now. You're sharing your life in public.
Correct. No freedom anymore.
Nilalap yung labubo ko.
Funny. Did you get the water, Nash? But anyway, see you there, guys. Kasi tayo ay wala akong seatbelt. I'm so sorry.
Oi!
Wala pa lang seatbelt. Dal. Let's go na, let's go. Because I have no seatbelt on. Ito na pala
So
tayo.
the Bayview.
Yeah? We're here na pala, guys. What time is it? It's 10:45.
Naman, nawalan ako kamay.
And then, putol? Oh, what is that? Let's see. Is that water?
I'm going past.
Is that water?
Oh, can you go there?
Oh, people are looking. People coming here too. Why it can flood? Because of the
It's
sea?
over there.
Oh, binabaha daw itong ganito kalawak,
You see
guys.
how it's wet?
Yeah, yeah.
So this is like a floodplain.
Oh, sobrang lawak na ito. Binabaha daw to. Pati yan, part na yan. Binabaha din daw yung kabilang side. Wow, ha? Nandun yung dagat. Saan tayo papasok?
Yeah, I got here to deliver and the gate was closed. See, there.
No way to walk to the sea. Laki. Nice. Wow. Okay lang. Oo, sanay din sila. Uy, ang cute na ito, oh. Pang display. Okay lang sila. Sanay din sila ma-expose. Oo, first time namin dito sa area na to. Si Mr. daw, nakapag-deliver na siya dito kasi before siya ay Sige.
Ito na lang kita. Salamat.
Thank you. Pag minention mo pa ako, sobrang sikat mo sa Ang cute ng kanilang accessories. Mahilig ka ba sa accessories? Oo nga. Mahilig ako, gold lang. Lamig-lamig na. Just looking. Yung mahilig siya stuffed toys, mga ganyan. Pwede ba din kitang i-video? Ang cute. Ay, parang ano pala, puppet. Kayla. Namit namin si Miss Mia. Sikat sa YouTube. Well, pati naman sa Facebook, sikat ka rin. Ang dami mong followers. Buti hindi siya awkward sa si Mr. mo. Hindi siya na-awkward. Dati si Mr. ayaw niya na-awkward siya. Kasi private sila no? Can you eat?
Yes.
Hello! First time. Yes, we're gonna eat muna.
No, you've got to go down the waterway.
Nice. Ano yun? May soup ka?
Those will just, you pay the gas and electric.
Yeah, under my name. You paid it. Just under my name. Ang likot ng baby natin, guys. Ay, disaster talaga. Wow. Tingin. Let's eat. Ang dami, no?
Strange one.
Oh, it's hot.
We couldn't put it on our passport.
You can have some fries.
We've got the ham
Is it?
sandwich,
Is it hot?
and we want to,
See? Ano kasi yung aking anak na mahinang kumain. Is it hot?
and in a way or something like that, a document for the proof that the marriage has been registered. So it ended up
Aray ko!
cost us
Hot?
the best part of £100.
No. It's not hot.
Got to get it in the Philippines, and I've got to get it here.
What you want? It's the same. It's the same. Mainit ata. Hot. Kulit lagi. Siya ang kaaway lagi. Pinasok na. Pinasok ka na ni ate. It's hot a bit.
Check it out in the Philippines.
No? Ayaw tuloy.
You can go and live there if you want.
Namumutla na ako pagkakain. So, umalis na guys sila Miss Mia. And kumain din kami ng lunch na yun. And hindi na kami nag-i-insist siya mag-pay. Pero ayaw kasi namin ni Mr. kasi ang dami namin. Mas marami pa kami kesa sa kanila. Kaya hindi na tayo nagpalibre. Parang magbabayad pa siya ng ating clothes pag nagpalibre pa tayo. But anyway, sobrang bait niya pala talaga sa personal. At nakakatuwa kasi kahit sobrang busy niya, is na-meet pa rin niya tayo. So, dito lang tayo. Tingin-tingin muna tayo ng plants. Sila ay mag-grocery pa din. Kaya, nauna na silang umalis. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, ang dami nilang Christmas decor. Kaso medyo may kamahalan. Hi! Are you enjoying? Hello? Kayla? Oh, are we going out? It's raining. We only have one umbrella.
Meron pa po doon kay Kuya. Dalawa.
Let's go. Grabe yung aking pimples, oh. Ang ganda-ganda ni Miss Mia. Wala siyang pimples. Sana all. Ang dami kong pimples lagi. Walang bago. Ang ganda na itong mga pots dito, guys. Ganda ng pots, no? Wala, tingin-tingin lang tayo. Cute, oh. Video kita. Ang ganda.
Parang ganito yung tapat ng year end.
Ang gaganda ng kanilang Christmas tree, oh. 169, pero ano na lang siya. 139 na lang. Ayan, ang real. Is that, hindi pala siya real. Magkano to? Ang ganda. 229. Oo, 299. Para siyang tunay, guys. Nanunusok si Mr. Ow! Ow!
Dahil Michaela.
Ouch! Let's go home. It's okay. I paid. It's okay. We're not gonna let her pay because expensive. Uy. Pakihawak tong bag ko na. Coat ang ating baby because it's raining. The other one. You're not gonna zip it? No? You're not gonna zip? Lock. Let's go na din. Tara na guys. Alis na tayo. So dyan tayo guys kumain. Bayview Garden Center and Restaurant. Ganda dito pala. Malapit sila sa dagat. Ay, hindi kita kasi umuulan na. So, doon guys, may dagat doon. Hindi, pero malapit daw sila dito. May dagat doon. Hindi lang kita na kasi maulan. Namuti na ang paligid. Thanks, so she wants some milk. Parang dede ang ating baby guys. Nay ko. And, pauwi na tayo.
Thank you for paying.
It's okay.
I'll send you the money.
No, don't need to. Fine. You always do send some money. Isay, nasa na yung dede niya? Yeah, she's sleepy. She needs some dede. She didn't have nap yet. That's why. Nasa yung juice ko, nasa iyo. Akin na, iinumin ko. Nasa akin pa yung bote. We take home the bottle. Hmm? Parang ano to, natural orange. Ayan ang dagat. Ah, they have water eh. Hindi masyadong kita. Can't really see. Medyo malayo. Yeah, and it's because it's raining. Yung paligid is ano, naging white na. It's there. Ah, that's the sea. So they're not far from the sea also like us.
Yeah.
Sobrang lakas guys ng ulan. Buti pauwi na tayo. Ito yung nakakangilo dito pag naulan. Yeah, it's almost zero visibility pag maulan. Ay, kakangilo. We're home na guys. Ganda tayo nakipag-meet kay Miss Mia. Thank you so much Miss Mia for your time.
Some bread in that one.
Bread? Bread? Oh, there's some bread in the car. Hello! I-message pala natin si Miss Mia dahil we're going and we're home now. We're home. Mag-go and walk. Ikaw, go practice walking. Where is my phone? Yay! Message tayo para alam na kauwi na tayo. And then, magtanggal na tayo ng coat. Warm dito sa ating house, kaya pwede na tayo ng walang coat. Ouch! So, yun lang guys. Bye! Thank you so much for watching always, for supporting my vlogs. See you next time!